No, I'm just kidding, it's not really working. Yo, what's up guys? It is Kane from Top Wrap, and today I want to show you guys the update of what we've been doing inside the shop. So we've installed most of the new LED high bays, so as you can see, it's a lot brighter than it was when you guys first saw it. We're in the process of actually grinding down the entire floor, doing our corrections, because we're applying a full epoxy on the entire floor to make it extremely easy to clean, and this is going to allow us to control the environment more often and obviously give you guys a better install, because a lot of the dust normally sits on the floor. Every day we're going to be squeegeeing the floors, cleaning the floors, making sure that they are spotless, so our install is going to be spotless. But this is what we got right now. We're going to be setting up the electricity soon, in our installation bays, our lifts, our paint, more lights, and then I can't wait to get rock and rolling in here. But I just want to give you guys a little update on what we've done so far inside the shop. Let's take you guys back on the other side of the wall and show you what's going on in the old place. All right, so we just finished doing a chrome delete on this S63, and I don't know if you guys see how beautiful these Swarovski crystal headlights are. We also tinted those with our Expel film. And so yeah, the complete bottom part here is wrapped in the 3M gloss black wrap. Then we're putting a protection film over it. The reason why is because it's low, and most of the time this area is going to get chipped up. Vinyl wrap does not protect your paint as much as protection film, so that's why we're doing it. Over on this side, we got a Model Y. Fender flares off so we can wrap around all the edges, cameras off so we can wrap inside, and mirrors are getting done right now. But this is a front end and bottom of the doors and rear bumper kit that we're installing on this one. Subaru Crosstrek is also getting a front end on that car. And I want to show you guys something really important. So this is a Model Y that we did a couple months ago. The reason why it's here is because we did the entire front end, and we had suggested them to do the bottom of the doors, and they said no. So fast forward a couple months, we're here now, and I just want to show you the damage it actually caused running without a protection film on the doors. He does have mud flaps. This does prevent a certain amount of debris from flying towards the rear, but take a look at how sandblasted the entire plastic edge of this car is, how sandblasted this is. And this is actually, Josh just finished wiping it down. This is not dirt that you're seeing, it's actually completely chipped. So I know what you're thinking, Tesla just released a protection kit that you can install. Problem with that kit is it only covers this bottom portion area here, which will prevent maybe 60% of it, or 70. But we're actually in the process right now of redeveloping a kit that's gonna give it a full protection all the way until here. It's gonna be more visible because it's higher, but it's actually gonna give you the protection you want. And I think that if you're gonna apply something this small, you might as well just go and target the areas that are actually being affected. So this is a great example to show you guys what it's gonna look like when you don't actually protect the bottom of these doors. But we will be designing a kit very shortly so you guys can install these in the comfort of your own home. But yeah, we see chips all the way up until this area. So we'll get that how-to video made up for you guys really shortly. We're about to shoot that tomorrow. But for now, I am going to say ciao, bye. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll check back with you guys in a bit.